Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you most recommended indoor trees for each room of your home. Whether you're choosing an official look, jungle-y vibe, or calmness and also silent visibility, these large interior plants and bedroom plants will certainly make your area much more vibrant, inviting, as well as comfortable. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 most recommended indoor trees for each room of your home. Number 1. Snake plant. This plant gets its name after the form of its leaves. It needs reduced light as well as light water to keep it prospering, making it a typical plant for low light conditions. Its clean lines make it a contemporary as well as a simple addition to your house. Number 2. Fiddle leaf fig. Shiny, wide, fiddle-shaped leaves make Ficus lyrata a refined enhancement to any room. It's such as modest to bright indirect light and regular watering, yet if you overwater, it will certainly begin going down leaves. Dust the leaves periodically to keep the plant looking its prettiest. Number 3. Windmill palm tree. This plant doesn't require consistent coddling, but it does require tons of light. Water sometimes, but do not sink it. It's dry spell forgiving in its native environment, so you don't require to water regularly. Number 4. Citrus tree. There are few things cooler than growing your citrus, particularly when you can do it inside. This particular kind of citrus tree can survive inside your house, however it's most likely to need lots of brilliant light, or it will battle, go down leaves, and also at some point disappear. It's a pricey investment, so make certain you have the right conditions to provide it its most recommended fired in life. Number 5. Parlor palm. There's a reason this is a best-selling plant on Amazon. Not just can parlor palms handle low-light spaces, yet they likewise don't need to be sprinkled really usually. They're pet-friendly as well, and also are one of the most affordable palms money can acquire. Number 6. Bonsai live dwarf jade tree. It's a tree and a succulent. What could be easier to care for? Better yet, jade plants are known for cleansing the air and need only moist but not damp soil. Number 7. Money tree. This strong tree has shiny hand-shaped leaves with an extremely tropical feeling. It's frequently marketed with several trees intertwined with each other in a single pot. It favors moderate to bright light and a little moist dirt. Number 8. Areca palm. This feathery palm does well in intense areas, generally growing up to 10 inches annually. They can reach 6 to 7 feet high inside your home. It prefers light constant wetness in springtime and summer season, however, allows it to dry out a little between waterings in the winter season. Number 9. Rubber tree. With large green, bronze or variegated glossy leaves, this easy-to-grow plant makes a sprinkle in any room. It likes modest to brilliant light, however no direct sun. It can obtain leggy in time and will gain from light trimming. Wear gardening gloves to maintain the sticky sap off your fingers. Number 10. Ponytail palm. The rounded trunk as well as long, Stroppy leaves of this plant make it visually attractive, especially in modern settings. If you're a little forgetful about watering, this is the plant for you. It stores moisture in its base, so it's even more flexible if you inadvertently skip sprinkling a week or more. It chooses intense but not root light. Since it's slow growing, purchase a large plant for the most influence. That's it. If you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you in the next videos.